Hello everyone. So in this video, we are going to talk about Artifism. This is a SaaS that is like helping people to generating videos, landing pages, giving ideas, helping in coding, helping in blogs, email marketing. So it's doing a lot of things like using AI. Okay. So as you can see, guys, so this is the SaaS that you will use for your own business, and you will add your own subscription. So people or customers could like create their accounts and pay you monthly. Okay, this is a best like project, and this is the best SaaS you will like use and make money with. Okay, so guys, as you can see, this is the landing page of this SaaS. All right, it gives the titles, what is doing here, and we have some tools, we have like some ideas, like image generation, like voiceover. We have a lot of stuff here. So here, like your customer will see those subscriptions, you can see, like for credits or subscriptions. And we have here like, by the way, all those like instructions that you will specify inside your admin panel, and you we will see all of those things. Okay, so here for email marketing, so your customer will submit like email address here and subscribe, and you will use all those email address for email marketing. Okay, so this is the best SaaS you will use. Okay, so in this video we are going to talk about like step by step how to install this SaaS, where to download it, and how to install it step by step. Okay, now first of all, let me as I said, let me go through the login. Okay, I have to see now the dashboard of admin. Okay, let me see admin here. How to? It looks like okay. Let me see this. This is admin, I think. Yeah, this is admin. Okay, great. As you can see, guys, this is the admin dashboard. As you can see, we have this analytics about users, about subscriptions, how many income, how all those like analytics are great for you to see your analytics. Okay, here you will see like your users, here we see case templates, you will see a features, we have a subscription, you can add your plans. Okay, we have anything here. All right, you will add your plans, you will manage website setup, you will add whatever you want. Here for example, we have website setup, homepage. For example, you want to customize the pages, you want to customize a lot of stuff here. If you want to add homepage, like upload homepage, pages, appearance, media manager, we have everything. So we have as well AI preferences here if you want to add your OpenAI keys or those things here. So all those API keys are very important. Why exactly? Because your services that you will offer, they are using those API keys to connect to AIs like, so your like platform helps those users to generate images, videos, like helping in coding and a lot of stuff. But like beside all of those things, it's AI that is working, like OpenAI, like Stable, like you have DeepSeek, even Labs. Okay, Valley. We have a lot of Gemini. Okay, we have all those like API keys. Okay, so let me first going through to see your users what they see in their own dashboard, and we see the services that this SaaS is offering. For example, let me go to this user. For example, let me go log in as this user. This is the user, this is like a customer. Okay, this is a customer. Now if the customer is going to create their accounts, they will see this dashboard. We have all those analytics, and if like your customers, if they want to generate templates, and this SaaS helps like to manage as marketing tools, articles, blogs, e-commerce, and it helps as well for generating ideas, a lot of stuff. Okay, for example, your customer wants product description. This is just an example. Okay, this is product description, product name, like target audience, product description, show them the magic. And now it's not working. Why? Because we are not like adding our like APIs on OpenAI. Okay, so first when you install this script, you should add your own like APIs keys for OpenAI. Just an example. Okay, this is for long articles. If your customers want like to generate blog posts, here image maker. So all those services you can offer it for like your customers, and you can make money with that. Okay, here we have the platinum plan, because like this user has this plan. Okay, and you can just like manage your subscriptions from here, like plans here. Okay, you can see your subscriptions. You can see, for example, this user has this platinum plan. If you want, for example, to generate credits, Okay, you can like generate credits here. If you want to generate members, okay, for example, this user has platinum plan. Okay, so we have payments here, as you can see. By the way, you can add your PayPal or Stripe. All those things could be added in this great offer. So this is the best project. Okay, you can use it to offer services to your customers, and you can make like, and you can smash the dollar monthly. Okay, this is a beast tool. This is a beast project. Okay, and the most powerful thing is that, so now we are going to start where to download this SaaS. Okay, the first thing that you should do is go into a website called AutoScript Hub. Okay, this is the, okay guys, this is the website autoscripthub.com. Like you can see the listing if you drop down, but you can just write here Artifism. Okay, and you will click on that, search now. Great, you can come here, you can click to for card, and you can just click to proceed to checkout. Click proceed to checkout. All right, after that you can like put your email address. All right, and you can put your password that you want. This is not email, you can put whatever you want here for the email address. Okay, and you can like add whatever you want for password, and you can check out with PayPal, and you can pay your $14, and you will get this script. Okay, so after downloading, let me just close this. Let me just go to the website. Yeah, this is the website. So now we are going to start installing the script step by step. Okay, so after downloading the script from AutoScript Hub, you will get this script. Okay, this is the script that I will get. You will get this one. After extracting, you will have this Artifism zip file and this documentation. All right, so now what you should do is that, okay, let me first go in to start now like installing this the script inside my domain name. Okay, so guys, so this is my hostinger now. So I'm gonna use a hostinger to explain how to install the script inside a hostinger. Okay, so, and this is my domain name, guys. So I will try this domain name to try like to install the script and having the SaaS ready. Okay, let me try to click on this domain name, and we will see a problem, as you can see, guys. Because what? Because this domain, it's brand new and it has not any data. Okay, now let me first click on file manager. Okay, so if you want this domain name to have this script, okay, click the file manager and you will have this one. Okay, let me take just a little bit of time to be opened. All right, it's opened. So what you should do, click on public HTML and then click this upload file, click file, and you should like upload this Artifism zip file. Okay, just upload it here as I did before. Okay, then just click on that, right click and click on move. No, it's extract. I'm sorry, and right here dot, and click extract. Then it will like extract all the folders and files, as you can see. Then what we have to do is that just go back to Hostinger, click on databases. All right, here we are going to try to create a database. Let me just delete this one. All right, so let me try to create my database. Now, let me try to create this database. All right, just put your password here and click create. Great, the database it's created now. What we have to do is coming to like our domain name. Let me go to overview, click on this domain name. You will see installer. Great. Now it does not show us the problem. Now it shows us the installer. Okay. Now click start with checking requirements. Everything is good here. If any problem, you have to come to Hostinger and you have to resolve your problem. If you have any problem or you have any troubles or anything, you can like come to me via WhatsApp, okay? And you can just ask me about your problem, and I will be happy to resolve it, okay? Now click check permissions. So now, as you can see, we have a lot of problems here about permissions. So let's fix all of them. Now we have storage app. Let's go to public HTML. So the problem is storage app. Go to storage and click on app. Go to permissions and check just this one. I think it's 775. Yeah, this is 7075. Okay, update. Another one, it's storage framework. Okay, come again to public HTML and permissions. Check this one. Update. We have storage logs, permissions. Check this one. Great. Bootstrap cache. Let me go back to public HTML. Go to Bootstrap. Give permissions to cache 7075. We have resources lang. Let me go to resources. Where is the resources? Come to lang, give it a permission. All right. Now we have modules.json. Let me go to public HTML again, and let me go through modules. Okay. Come to modules.json. Give it a permission of this 6066 update. Now we have another problem on .env. Go to public HTML, go .env, give it a permission. Great, update. Now let me just refresh the page and you will see everything is set up. Great. Verify purchase code. So here, guys, in the documentation, you will see the username and the purchase code. Just paste them there and everything's gonna be great, okay? So you will find username and purchase code on the documentation you will take from AutoScript Hub, okay? Don't worry about that. Just click verify purchase code. Great. Now, let me go to set up the database. Come to Hostinger and you will find the databases. Click on that. Here you will find the last database you already created. Copy this and paste it in here. Paste the same thing here and password, and just click create a database. Now installing the database, just wait a little bit of time, so everything's going to be great. Now you have to create your administrator account, give it a name, put your name here, for example, John. Okay, now put the email, example.com, password, confirm password, and create user, save login. So now, guys, everything is set up. Let me go through the admin account. As you can see, guys, everything is set up. Let me go to personal, all users. You will find here some example of users here if you want to log in as a user. So here, this is the customer dashboard. All right, so everything is set up. So here the customer will see all those data, all those devices. And here you will see, let me click visit website. So the customer as well, they will see this great landing page website, as you can see, guys, with pricing, with subscriptions, with every single information. So guys, this is everything in this video. So if you have any problem, I will put by the way, if you don't have a Hostinger account, I will put the link below on the description. So you will have 25 discount, 25% discount, as well as I will put the link for my WhatsApp. If you have any problem, I will be happy to help you solve that. And yeah, everything is set up now. So guys, if you like this video, like, give it a like and give me like a comment below, and for any other like SaaS ideas that I will add to and help you guys and give you step by step how to install it easily. So this is everything, guys, as well as I will put the link to AutoScript Hub like listing, so you will download the script from there. So thank you guys for watching this video and have a good day.